Hello YouTube, Bushcraft Woods Devil here. Today for Fun Knife Friday, I wanted to profile a knife that my daughter gifted me for Father's Day this past June, and this is a really attractive pocket folder. It's a Smith Wesson trademarked pocket knife, tactical folder. Has a tanto style tip. The model is the M&P Bodyguard. Liner lock, pocket clip. Really interesting, cool thing. It has these traction serrations cast into the aluminum handles, and these are just like the grip surfaces for the slide on a Smith Wesson M&P, which I've shot. I know these serrations. I don't own one, but I have shot them. And then they put these really nice little wood inlays into the sides of the handles. 50-50 blade. It's got serrations and a straight edge. Overall length, I think, is right around the 8-inch mark, and the blade measuring about 3.6 inches. So it says here M&P Bodyguard, and then M&P on the blade, which I think the M&P's become a very popular model in the Smith & Wesson line. I know when I shot one, I was pretty impressed with the lack of muzzle flip. Slide puts the barrel really low down in the web of your hand, so you get more of a push than a kick. Unlike SIG, which has a fairly high access on the barrel, and you tend to get more flip. But I'm digressing. But spent the morning out here working with this. It's not razor sharp, but it's functional sharp. It's a very strong tip. Was able to sit here and do some carving and carve a chubby snake out of a piece of wood. He's well fed, eating good. Might trim this down a little later. Looks like a very overfed snake, and I have seen some pretty stout ones that have eaten well. But there it is, Fun Knife Friday, Smith & Wesson M&P Bodyguard. She got it at Scheels. I think it's SCHEELS, where she lives up in Utah. And I thank you, honey, for the sweet knife. It's really nice. I enjoy carrying it. So there you have it, guys. Fun Knife Friday, M&P Bodyguard. And we will catch you all later.